This is John Paul Matsuo and Matsuo cleaning the snow in their apartment in Isazaki. They cannot go to work due to heavy snow. Predictions of heavy snow in Tokyo and the Kanto Kashin region from Monday afternoon have prompted transportation operators to cancel services throughout the day. Japan's weather officials say a developing low-pressure system is expected to dump large volumes of snow on the mountains and mountainous areas in the Kanto Kashin region from Monday afternoon to Tuesday. The region encompasses Tokyo and central Japan. Snow is also expected to accumulate on flatlands, including Tokyo's 23 wards. Japan Airlines has cancelled 68 flights to and from Tokyo's Haneda Airport from Monday afternoon. All Nippon Airways plans to cancel 34. Some intercity bus operators are suspending certain routes. JR Bus Kanto is canceling some services connecting Tokyo with destinations in the prefectures of Osaka, Kyoto, Hyogo, Tokushima, Aichi, Gifu, Shizuoka, Nagano, Yamanashi, and others, as well as routes linking Nagano with Osaka and Kyoto. The operator has decided to halt services on Tuesday for some routes between Tokyo and Osaka, Aichi, Fukushima, Ibaraki, Gunma, and other destinations. The operator is advising its passengers to keep up with the latest information, as more services are likely to be cancelled. Highway operators say they may close extensive sections of the Chua, Tomei, Shin-Tomei, and other expressways, depending on the weather. East Nippon Expressway says it has banned vehicles with summer tires from using its toll roads from Monday morning. The company is urging drivers to use winter tires and bring snow chains with them. JR East says it will suspend a total of 15 Kaiji and Azusa Limited Express trains from Monday evening. Some private railways also plan to partially suspend their limited express services. Railway operators in the Greater Tokyo area are warning that snowfall may cause significant delays or cancellation of certain train services. They are advising passengers to monitor the latest weather and schedule information.
Manipis. Sir, pa-picture. Ha? Pa-picture doon. Yan guys. Ouch. Ito sir. Dito. Ay, may tao. Sige lang, dali. Saan? Yes. Ubabayo, sir. Ha? Ubabayo. Ha? Ubabayo. Pirat. Babayo? Ibarin mo dyan. Sa picture. Ay! Huwag dito. Doon lang sa atin. Magbiyahe pa tayo. Okay, nasa atin. Oo. Ito na guys. Dito kami pumunta sa Haken Haken office. Kumusta kayo dyan guys sa Pilipinas? Itong lamig. Bye bye.